Welcome to LearningHubX Maths. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to factorize algebraic expressions. Have you ever seen something like this and thought, how do I break this down? In this lesson, I'll show you 5 powerful methods: taking out common factors, factorizing by grouping, factorizing quadratics, the difference of two squares, and perfect square trinomials. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break down any algebra expression using these 5 methods. So, what is factorizing? Factorizing means breaking something down into parts that multiply together. For example, 6 equals 2 times 3, and algebra works the same way. We just use variables instead of numbers. Let's start with something simple. 6x plus 9. Ask yourself, what number goes into both 6 and 9? The answer is 3. What do both terms have in common? The answer is 3. What can I take out? The answer is 3. So we take it out. This is called factorizing by taking out a common factor. Now let's introduce something new. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Instead of jumping straight into brackets, let's think about what we actually need. We need two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5, pause for a moment, and see if you can work it out first. Yes, you are right. The answer is 2 and 3. 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now you can factorize it into x squared plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 6. Which can further be factorized into x times, open parenthesis, x plus 2, close parenthesis, plus 3 times, open parenthesis, x plus 2, close parenthesis. Now, notice something important. Look closely. What do both parts have in common? Yes, both terms have x plus 2 in brackets, so we can take it out like this. This is called factorizing by grouping. Now, let's move on to the third method, factorizing quadratics. Using the same example as before, we want to find out this. We need two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. And from the previous example, we already know the numbers are 2 and 3. Let's try another example. X squared plus 7x plus 10. We want to find two numbers that multiply to give 10 and add together to give 7. Pause for a moment and see if you can work it out first. The answer are 2 and 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 plus 5 equals 7. This is factorizing simple quadratics. Now let's look at another powerful pattern. This is called the difference of two squares. This is the formula. A squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. Let's try to factorize x squared minus 9. If x squared equals 9, x is 3 or minus 3. When you take the square root, don't forget, you get both positive and negative. A perfect square trinomial is a 3-term polynomial that results from squaring a bracket. Let me show you an example. X plus 3 squared equals x squared plus 6x plus 9. You might be wondering how we did that so quickly. Here's the pattern. First squared, last squared, middle is double. Once you recognize this pattern, factorizing becomes instant. Let's try an example. X squared plus 10, x plus 25. Here is our formula. First term is x squared. Last term is 25, which is 5 squared. The middle term is 10x, which is 2 times x times 5. So the factorized form is x plus 5 squared. It's called a perfect square because it comes from squaring a bracket. If you found this helpful, visit LearningHubX.com for more lessons just like this. We're building a full learning platform to help you master maths, English, and other subjects step by step. We're also adding more lessons, examples, and practice to support your learning journey. To summarize, factorizing means breaking an expression into parts that multiply together. In this lesson, we learned 5 methods. They are taking out the common factor, factorizing by grouping, factorizing quadratics, difference of two squares, perfect square trinomials. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.